Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the image into Gemini and confirming key settings. Open the photo and check the color profile so edits remain accurate. Once done, pick the Edit workspace and set image resolution and crop ratio. This prevents later quality loss. You should also make a virtual copy or duplicate layer for non-destructive work. Now that the file is ready and a backup exists, move to the basic corrections so you build a clean foundation for creative edits. You tackle the complex middle by fixing global issues first, because overall balance changes how local edits read. Adjust exposure, contrast, and tonal curves to shape the image, then correct white balance and refine colors with HSL. Once global values are stable, use local tools like the brush, radial, and gradient to target faces or skies. Make subtle changes to avoid halos. If you need detail, apply sharpening and controlled noise reduction. You finish by validating quality and preparing deliverables so the edit is useful. Inspect histogram and shadows/highlights for clipping, and zoom to 100% to confirm sharpness and noise. Once satisfied, choose export settings aligned to the output. Resolution, file format, and color space, sRGB for web, Adobe RGB for print. Save a layered or non-destructive version plus an optimized JPEG or PNG. If something went wrong, revert to the duplicate layer and retrace the last edits to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.